What's going on, Visionaries? I figured I'd take this time as I embark on the second half of my dream day. I just wanted to tap in and share a few things, ask of you a few things, bring a few things to the forefront of what are we doing? What is it that we are actually doing? Do we have the ability to unify in energy and elevate one another's frequencies to a level where we're truly unstoppable? How do we get to a place where there is no big you, little me? There is no big me, little you. How do we get to a place where we all get up, reach back, help the next person doesn't resent the help, the next person reciprocates the help upwards, and also reaches down to bring the next person up with the ideology, with the thought process of, listen, a grown person who did not birth me chose to invest in me, to invest in my dreams based on my drive, my hunger, my passion, and what I communicate that is the mission that I'm on. Oftentimes, and something that I've experienced over and over, is that me as a grown person has invested in dreams, and it could be considered as if it was just a gesture, as if capital is easy to raise, or as if money is easy to generate. I feel that when put in position by someone, a grown person, especially someone other than your parents, it should come with the information or the knowledge or the wisdom that this was a choice, and this is a choice that you should also offer. Not only should you show massive appreciation for the person who reached for you when you just had a dream but no means, not only should you show them undying dedication, love, and loyalty, but you should also do the same for someone else who has the same passion that you had. That's how we keep the chain of generational wealth going. Investment. Don't take someone's belief in you and their willingness to put capital in you as something that's light, because that's real. Money is not that easy to generate as much as they make it seem. So when you actually do find something that works for you and you get on a run, however big that run, whether it's a Jeff Bezos run or whether it's a lesser run than that, it's to be appreciated and reciprocated. So let's go, Visionaries. I just want everybody to unify at the top. The Visionary 60-Day Transformation Challenge is coming August 1st. It's available. Visit visionary60.com. That's visionary60.com. Get all the information. See what it's going to be like to really do a real-time life audit, a forthright self-assessment, a step in a winning direction for all those looking to grow. Let's go, Visionaries. I'll see every single one of you at the top.